Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you a beginner tutorial for Digistore24, how you can promote products as an affiliate on Digistore24 and how you can earn some commissions. I'm going to show you the basics, what the platform is and how it works. But before we start, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do here once you're on the website, well, you can see more sales, less work. That's their spirit. If you want to sign up for an account, you want to go to the top right corner and hit register now. Here we can sign up for an account, so I'm going to fill in all my details here and get back to you when I'm done. So make sure here, if you sign up as an affiliate. So not as a vendor or affiliate, but as an affiliate. That's what you want to make sure. When you fill that in everything, you can hit register for free now right here. So then it's going to create your account, and now you have to go to the link in your email and then hit it to confirm it. So here's the link, and here you just want to hit click here to activate your Digistore24 account. And now your account is verified, and we can go to the dashboard right here. So once you're in the dashboard, you can see you first have to verify your phone number before you can sell or promote products. Of course, we only want to promote products. We also have to of course, accept the payment so that we can send it to our bank account. Therefore, we have to enter in VAT informations. That's pretty straightforward. In the dashboard itself, we can see customers value, gross revenue, but this is all as a vendor. We are not a vendor, we are an affiliate. So we just can ignore all of this stuff because we are going to promote it ourselves instead of selling it because we are an affiliate. So here, top affiliates. So of course now there's nothing to show because we haven't sold anything. And here are all the earnings for us as an affiliate. So this is basically where you have to look. We can put it up as well. This really nice drag and drop system, but this is basically the basics of the dashboard. If we want to look for products and good products, go to the marketplace, and here we can find my offers on the affiliate marketplace, but you want to go to all offers because you're probably not having any offers yet. So this is the marketplace, and here we can find all the offers. And what I really like about Digistore24 is that they're not just spamming with a lot of products. They're really targeting for quality. Not a lot of products, but quality. Like the quality of all these products are very high. Here we have Medicore. This is, I don't really know what this is. Here we have Tube Mastery. This is a YouTube course, Jenny script writing, and all that stuff. Crypto Quantum Leap. And look at the commissions here. 58%, 50%, 80%. That's a lot. And the thing is, these commissions are crazy high because basically all of these products aren't physical, but virtual products or digital products. This means that we can sell them over and over again without creating any new products, and that's why the commissions can be crazy high. So here you get 58% of every sale you get. You can hit promote now. Let's hit it, and this is the product here, so it's actually the same thing, but this is your promo affiliate link. So this is already your own link. You don't need any approval. This is just yours. So let's go ahead and copy it. And let's look at the page. Medicore at Science. This is how it looks. Discover Up Metabolism Trigger. So this is a video. This is the funnel. Yeah, this is it. This is the funnel, and this is how it works. So this is just this product. We can also go to the next one. Promote now. This is your link. Boom. And this is it. So this is how you can earn money by creating a YouTube channel. This is a course. You can go ahead and promote that and earning commission. So if you have a YouTube channel yourself, you want to learn people how to do it themselves, you can always recommend them this course, and then if they buy it, you get 50%. So let's say in this case, I want to promote a game. We can go to here, a classic returns, imagine that snake games, blah blah blah. Click to get snake. We can hit promote now, and then it's going to get the link. So this is your link. We can find this and put it in here. And this is how the link looks. So this isn't really the best product I would recommend you, but still you can do it. We can hit this, and here we can buy this game. So let's say you have a gaming channel on YouTube. You're playing this game as one of the only one, because it's not really a saturated game. People who are into the game can watch it and can also buy it. You say you can buy it through the link in my description, and every time someone buys it, you get a commission of 20%. That's decent, right? And the earnings is $2. So again, this is not the best product, but this is basically how to show you that it works. So this is what you can do to promote products. That's a nice thing. So what can we find here? Price average $400, 50% commissions, earning sale 150 euros, earning card visitor 6 euros. This is the vendor. 1 year ago, here card conversion is 2%, which is quite high. So this is what you can view on the pages of the seller, of the vendor. But if we go to digital products here, all the digital products, we can see education, languages, and what they are targeting is really, yeah, what I said, digital products like a course, like software, like e-commerce plugins, all that stuff, all that good stuff. We can go to software, for example. Here we have AdSite Pro, Digimember, WP, WordPress, membership. So you can start promoting it. For example, if you have a website about one of these niches here, education, email marketing, games, you can promote it and you can get paid crazy high. So is Digistore24 a good affiliate marketing program? If you compare it to ClickBank, GVZoo, CJ Affiliate, yes, I think it is, because Digistore24 is really targeting for quality. The quality of their products are very high, and if we compare this to ClickBank, they just have a shitload of products, just not a lot of them are high quality, and you just have to find the good or the right offer yourself by scrolling through the marketplace over and over again. And on Digistore24 there aren't as much products, but the quality is way higher. So there's less choice, but the choice that is there is good, in my opinion. So for example, food and drinks, fitness and health, all these courses that can help you for a good fitness body, stuff like that. So I'm not going to leave any affiliate links in the description down below. All I'm asking you for is a like or subscribe to the channel. That would make my day. And if this video helped you out, have a good day.
Bye.